Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. If you've ever noticed weight changes during stressful times, you're not alone. Stress can make you gain or lose weight, and today, I'll explain why and how you can take control of your health. Stay tuned. Chapter 1. Why does stress affect your weight? When you're stressed, your body reacts in ways that can affect your weight. Let's break it down. Imagine your body is like a car. When you're relaxed and cruising along, everything runs smoothly. But when stress hits, it's like slamming on the brakes or pushing the engine too hard. It throws everything out of whack. One of the main culprits behind stress-related weight changes is a hormone called cortisol. Think of cortisol as your body's built-in alarm system. When you encounter a stressful situation, your brain sounds the alarm and your adrenal glands release cortisol. This is a completely natural and essential response. It helps you deal with immediate threats and keeps you safe. In small doses, cortisol is your friend. It provides energy, keeps your immune system in check, and helps regulate your metabolism. But when you're constantly stressed, your body stays in this heightened state of alert, leading to chronically high cortisol levels. And that's when the trouble begins. High cortisol levels can wreak havoc on your appetite and metabolism. Have you ever felt super hungry after a stressful day at work or school? That's cortisol making you crave sugary and high-fat foods. It's like your brain is wired to seek out comfort food when it senses stress. On the flip side, some people experience a complete loss of appetite when they're stressed. Think about the last time you had a big exam or a job interview. Did you feel too nervous to eat? That's stress shutting down your appetite. In these situations, your body is so focused on dealing with the perceived threat that it puts digestion on hold. But that's not all. Cortisol also influences where your body stores fat. Studies have shown that chronic stress can lead to increased fat storage around your midsection, the dreaded belly fat. This is because cortisol prefers to store fat in your abdominal area, which is bad news for your health. So whether stress makes you reach for a bag of chips or skip meals altogether, it's clear that this powerful hormone plays a significant role in how our bodies respond to stress, and unfortunately, it often leads to unhealthy weight changes. Chapter 2. Stress and Emotional Eating. Have you ever eaten ice cream after a bad day? That's emotional eating. And it's a major way stress affects weight. We've all been there. The day feels like an uphill battle, and the only thing that seems to ease the tension is a pint of your favorite ice cream or a bag of salty chips. But why is that? When we're stressed, anxious, or feeling down, our brains release hormones that trigger a cascade of physical and emotional responses. We might experience a racing heart, sweaty palms, or a knot in our stomach. These sensations are uncomfortable, and we instinctively seek ways to soothe them. Food, especially those high in sugar, fat, and salt, provides a temporary sense of comfort and pleasure. These foods trigger the release of dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter in our brains. It's like a quick fix, a way to numb the negative emotions and feel a sense of reward. Think about it like this. Imagine you had a stressful argument with a friend. Instead of talking about it, you eat an entire bag of chips. In that moment, the crunchy, salty chips provide a distraction from the emotional turmoil. You might even feel a sense of relief or satisfaction, but this momentary comfort comes at a cost. Over time, relying on food to cope with stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. The problem is that emotional eating doesn't address the root cause of your stress. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken bone. It might provide temporary relief, but it won't fix the underlying issue. The key to breaking free from the cycle of stress and emotional eating is to develop healthier coping mechanisms. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, try going for a walk, listening to music, or talking to a friend. These activities might not provide the same instant gratification as a sugary treat, but they offer long-term benefits for your mental and physical well-being. Next time you feel overwhelmed, take 5 deep breaths and see how your stress level changes. You might be surprised at how effective simple techniques can be in managing stress and preventing emotional eating. Remember, You have the power to choose healthier ways to cope and break free from the stress-eating cycle. Chapter 3: Sleep, Stress, and Weight Gain. Did you know that stress can ruin your sleep and lead to weight gain? Here's how. We all know that a good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. But what you might not realize is that stress and sleep are intricately connected, and this connection can have a significant impact on your weight. When you're stressed, your mind races, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. You might find yourself tossing and turning, replaying stressful events in your head, or worrying about things you can't control. This is because stress disrupts your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to get the restful sleep you need. Lack of sleep, in turn, throws your hormones out of whack. Two key hormones involved in appetite regulation, leptin and ghrelin, are particularly sensitive to sleep deprivation. Leptin is responsible for signaling to your brain that you're full and satisfied, while ghrelin stimulates your appetite, making you feel hungry. When you're sleep-deprived, your body produces less leptin and more ghrelin. This hormonal imbalance sends mixed signals to your brain, making you feel hungrier than usual and craving sugary, high-fat foods. Have you ever stayed up late and suddenly felt the urge to snack? That's your body craving quick energy because it's exhausted. But the impact of poor sleep on your weight goes beyond just increased appetite. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can also slow down your metabolism, making it harder to burn calories effectively. This is because sleep plays a crucial role in regulating your body's energy balance and glucose metabolism. So, how can you break this vicious cycle of stress, poor sleep, and weight gain? The key is to prioritize sleep and manage stress effectively. Start by establishing a relaxing bedtime routine. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your sleep. Creating a conducive sleep environment is also crucial. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. These small changes can make a big difference in improving the quality of your sleep. Chapter 4: How to Manage Stress for a Healthy Weight. Now that we understand how stress affects weight, let's talk about solutions. The good news is that there are many ways to manage stress and maintain a healthy weight. Remember, managing stress isn't about eliminating it completely. Stress is a normal part of life. It's about developing healthy coping mechanisms to prevent it from taking over. One of the most effective ways to combat stress is through regular physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Even a 10-minute walk can boost your mood and help control stress-related weight gain. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or hitting the gym, find something that gets you moving and helps you de-stress. Exercise also improves sleep quality, boosts metabolism, and helps regulate appetite. Another powerful tool for stress management is mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. The key is to find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. Mindfulness can help you develop a greater sense of self-awareness and improve your ability to cope with stress. Connecting with others is also crucial for stress management. Social support plays a vital role in our overall well-being. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can provide a safe space to process your emotions and receive support. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Sharing your feelings and connecting with others can make a world of difference in managing stress and improving your overall health. In addition to these lifestyle changes, it's essential to nourish your body with a healthy diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally, and cope with stress effectively. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, as these can contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and worsen stress levels. Remember, food is fuel. Choose wisely to support your body and mind. Stress affects everyone, but by managing it well, you can stay healthy and in control of your weight. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine and see how it makes you feel. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Manage. See you next time. And remember, taking care of your mental and physical health is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and never hesitate to seek support when you need it. You've got this.